Now students, we will see tables given on page number 44. Here table of number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4 are given. Each number has 3 columns. First column is for Pullingam, second column is for Strilingam form, third column is for Napunsaklingam form. Now I will read first column. It is like table of Dev. एकः एकम् एकेन एकस्मै एकस्मात् एकस्य एकस्मिन्. Now second column is like mala. It resembles table of mala. Eka ekam like mala malam. Ekaya like malaya. Ekasye like malayai. Then malayaha here ekasyaha is given. Then malayam is saptami vibhakti vachanam, here ekasyam is given. Then third column is for neuter gender. It is like table of one. Vanam vane vanani. You know that table very well. So I will read this table of number 1 in neuter gender. Ekam ekam ekena ekasmai ekasmat ekasya ekasmi. Learn all the tables given here. Now we will solve exercise given here. Sankhya Rupani Likhitva Vakyani Purayat. Here you have to complete the sentences by using forms of the numbers given in bracket. First sentence is Chatasrubhyah Mahilabhyah Tandulan Anay. It means bring rice from 4 women. Here Mahilabhyah is feminine noun. Chaturthi or Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So the adjective form of number 4 will be Chatasrubhyah. This is also Chaturthi and Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Now next sentence is Teshu Trishu Tarushu Khagaha Nidani Arachayan. On those trees birds make their nests. Tarushu is Pullingam Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. So Trishu is our answer. This Trishu is also Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Third sentence is Ekasya Kapehe Topika Patita. Cap of one monkey fell down. Here Kapehe is genitive singular masculine gender and genitive singular of number 1 is ekasya. That's why the answer will be ekasya kapehe topika patita. Now next sentence is etasu dve kruti likhantu. Write 2 activities. From these activities, write 2 of them. Here, Kruti is feminine gender, Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam form. Now, Strilingam Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam of number 2 is Dve. That's why the sentence is Etasu Dve Kruti Likhantu. Children, numerical adjective will depend upon the form of noun. Next sentence is Trayanam Bhuvananam Samuha Nam Tribhuvanam. Group of 3 buildings is called as Tribhuvanam. Here Bhuvananam is neuter noun and it is genitive plural. That's why Trayanam form we have selected. This is also neuter gender, genitive, plural. All the answers you will get here on this page. You can refer the tables which are given above this exercise. You will get all the answers there itself. Then next sentence is Eka Dasi Sandesham Kathitavati. One lady servant told the message. She narrated the message. Here Dasi is feminine noun, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Eka is also numerical adjective, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Next sentence is Tayoho Dvayoho Paraspar Melanam Na Asit. It means there was nothing common in both of them. Now here Tayoho and Dvayoho both are genitive dual forms. Next sentence is Ekasmin Nagre Saha Vasati Sma. He lived in one city. Here both the forms Ekasmin and Nagre are locative, singular, neuter gender forms. Next sentence is Dvau api kavi kavyam apatatam. Both the poets read the poetry. Kavi is masculine noun, Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Dvau is also masculine numerical adjective, Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam form. Dvau is used for two number, that's why Dvivachanam form. Katham etam chaturbhyah chhatrebhyah kathaya. It means tell this story to 4 students. Here chaturbhyah and chhatrebhyah are pullingam forms, chaturthi vibhakti bahuvachanam form. Chhatrebhyah is chaturthi vibhakti bahuvachanam and chaturbhyah form itself is plural form, and this is also pullingam chaturthi vibhakti bahuvachanam form. Next sentence is Aham Treen Chauran Apashyam. I saw 3 thieves. Here Chauran, this noun is masculine Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. That's why we have selected Treen. This is also masculine and Dvitiya Vibhakti form. And Treen itself is a Bahuvachanam form because they are 3 in number. Next sentence is Vayam Chatvari Geetani Gayamaha. It means we sing 4 songs. Here Chatvari and Geetani are Napunsak Lingam forms, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Next sentence is Saha Chaturaha Vedan Adhitvan. He studied all the 4 Vedas. Vedan is Pullingam Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam form. Chatur is numerical adjective Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Next sentence is Vayam Dvabhyam Netrabhyam Pashyamaha. We see with 2 eyes. Netrabhyam is Napunsak Lingam Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam form. Dvabhyam is also Napunsak Lingam Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam form. Then next sentence is Shivaha Trivihi Netraihi Pashyati. Lord Shiva has 3 eyes to see. All of you know that in mythological stories you must have heard that Lord Shiva has 1 extra eye on his forehead. That's why we say that Lord Shiva has three eyes to see. Here Netrehi is a neuter noun, Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, and Tribhi is also numerical adjective, Tritiya Vibhakti form. Children, write down this exercise in your notebook copy and learn all the tables given on page 44. Thank you.